Never walk into an airport thinking you're ready and then freeze the moment someone behind the counter asks, "Passport, please?" If that always makes your mind go blank, this episode will change that. Hello everyone, I'm Anna and you're listening to the Slow English Podcast. Today, you're going to hear a short, real conversation between two native speakers at an airport check-in counter. It's fast, it's natural, and it's exactly how people speak in real life. After you listen, I'll walk you through every useful word and sentence step by step. Then you'll practice speaking with me. So the next time you travel, you won't feel lost or stressed at the counter again. Checking in at the airport sounds simple, but for many learners, it's one of the hardest real-life situations. Not because the English is complicated, but because everything happens fast. The staff speak quickly, you hear different accents, people behind you are waiting, there are questions you didn't expect. Most beginners tell me the same thing. I know the words, but when it's my turn, I panic. That's what we fix today. Let's start with the natural conversation. Listen once without stopping.
Good morning. Where are you flying today?
Hi, I'm flying to Los Angeles.
Great. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just one.
Please place it on the scale.
Okay.
Perfect. Did you pack this bag yourself?
Yes, I did.
And are you carrying any liquids over 100 milliliters?
No, I'm not.
All right. Would you like a window or an aisle seat?
Aisle seat, please.
Done. Here's your boarding pass. Your gate number is C12. Boarding starts at 9:20.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your flight.
Now let's break this down step by step. I'll explain the meaning, the common mistakes, and how to pronounce each key part. Where are you flying today? This question is simple. It means, what is your destination? Many learners try to answer with a long sentence like, I am going to fly today to Los Angeles for a work meeting. You don't need that. The short, natural answer is, I'm flying to Los Angeles. May I see your passport, please? This is polite English. It's not, give me your passport. It's not, can you show me your passport? It's softer. When you speak, connect the words. May I see your passport, please? Don't stress your. Native speakers keep it light. Are you checking any bags today? This question is about big luggage, the bag they put under the plane. You can answer with, yes, just one. No, I only have a carry-on. Just one is the most common short answer. Please place your bag on the scale. Place means put, but it sounds more polite. You can answer with a simple, okay. Did you pack this bag yourself? This is a security question. The simple answer is always, yes, I did. Use stress on did. This makes your answer sound confident and clear. Any liquids over 100 milliliters? This is important. If you say yes, they will take the liquids out. Most people answer, no, I'm not, or no, I don't. Both are fine, but no, I'm not fits the question better. Window or aisle seat? Window means the seat by the window. Aisle is the seat next to the walkway. The word aisle can be a little tricky to pronounce. It sounds just like I'll, as in I'll call you. So you would say, aisle seat, please. Here's your boarding pass. This is the paper or digital pass you need to get on the plane. Your boarding pass always includes your name, flight number, gate, boarding time. Not the departure time, the boarding time. Your flight is from gate C12. Different airports say gate numbers differently. Some say C12, some say Charlie 12. C12 is the simple common one. Boarding starts at 9:20. Here's where many travelers get confused. They think the flight leaves at this time. No, this is the time when passengers begin entering the plane. The plane may take off 30 to 40 minutes later. Always look at boarding time. Now let's work on the sound of common phrases. I'll say each line slowly, then naturally. You repeat after me. Where are you flying today? Where are you flying today? Notice how are you becomes arya very fast. Here you go. Here you go. Did you pack this bag yourself?
Did you pack this bag yourself?
Did you becomes did ya. Aisle seat, please. Just try aisle seat, please. Same sound. Boarding starts at 9:20. Boarding starts at 9:20. The G in boarding becomes soft. Now it's your turn to speak. This is where the real learning happens. I'll say a line, you pause and repeat. Speak out loud even if you're shy. Your brain learns faster when your mouth moves. Repeat after me. I'm flying to Los Angeles. Here you go. Just one. Yes, I did. No, I'm not. Aisle seat, please. Thank you so much. Enjoy your flight. Now we're going to practice a short, natural exchange just like a real conversation at the airport. I'll ask a question, and you'll answer with the line I give you. Listen, repeat, and get used to the flow. Example. I ask, where are you flying today? You say, I'm flying to Los Angeles. All right, are you ready to practice with me? Let's begin. Where are you flying today? Are you checking any bags today? Window or aisle seat? May I see your passport, please? Did you pack this bag yourself? Any liquids over 100 milliliters? This simple practice will help you stay calm and confident when you're actually standing at the airport counter with people behind you and time ticking. Here's the part most learners never think about. The check-in counter is not testing your grammar. They are not checking your vocabulary. They only want to move fast. If you speak slowly, clearly, and with short answers, the process becomes easy. You don't need long sentences. You don't need perfect grammar. You only need simple, direct answers. The moment you understand this, airport English becomes stress-free. You stop trying to sound perfect. You just focus on the message. And that's when real confidence starts. Today, you listened to a natural check-in conversation, learned useful sentences, practiced pronunciation, and repeated each line with me. Now you know the real phrases people use and how to answer them without fear. If you review this lesson a few more times, you'll be ready for any airport in the world. Now, I want to hear from you. Have you ever checked in at the airport? What was it like? Write your answer in the comments. And if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time. Bye!